Okay, class, as promised, we're going to take a look at net present value. And in this particular case, we have a project. I set up a little, again, an Excel spreadsheet. Always want to use the Excel spreadsheet. It's the easiest way to go about business. So we want to know what is the correct net present value, which is the gold standard for doing this stuff. So if you notice, I put in a negative. This is the traditional cash flow. I paid $190,000 for a house, for a business. And in years 1 to 4, I have positive cash flows. And in year 5, I have the last positive cash flow and the sale of the business or the house or the asset. And I pick a discounted rate of return and I plug that into a rate. And we talked about this, and I'm going to do a further YouTube. That comes down from the capital asset pricing model. That's one way to go. Another way might be where you borrow. A weighted average cost of capital. Further YouTubes for another time. We'll talk about it in class. But that's where we get that discounted rate. So let's take a quick look at how we do net present value. We're going to add an NPV just to make it clean. Now we go to formulas, go to financial. Go to financial, go to net present value, and the rate is going to be, let's escape out of there. Let's try this again. Net present value, go to the rate, and always use a percentage sign. That's where people get screwed up. I go to value, pan down on the positive cash flows, not the negative. And there's your answer, $620,000. Now what you need to do to find out if it's a positive is at sum this minus our outlay, close your parentheses. Screwed up there. Should have been a positive. That should be a positive. I should add a positive and a negative, right? So there's a little mathematical error. But there it is. It's a positive cash flow, alright? And the way I designed it, I could play around it. If my rate goes up to 7%, notice how my profit has gone down because I'm discounting my positives by a higher rate, or I'm paying more for money. If I go down to 3%, I make more money. Obviously, this is for another day, but the cheaper I can source capital, it justifies different projects. So that's something you should definitely think about. And that's key to finance. These are just the numbers. The key to finance is to understand that lower rates, discount rates, allow you to justify investments at more investments, because now you're discounting your cash flows by a lower rate, or you're borrowing money cheaper. Thus, the reason why the Federal Reserve is keeping rates low to make investment more attractive. That's an economic principle, but whatever. You need to understand that. Okay, let's look at internal rate of return now, which is almost as good as what we've done. Take the values, pan them all, and you come up with 11%. I like to make it cleaner. I'm kind of weird like that. I'll go this way. It's 10.87%. So you see that that's the actual rate of return if I set these things to 0. And obviously, by printing at 5, it implies a higher profit. If for instance, I only had $550,000 at the end, what you're going to notice is the rate of return drops down. Now, most managers want to hear rate of return. They want to compare percentages to percentages, and that's the nature of having a percentage. It allows us to compare different numbers. It homogenizes our decision-making process. However, if any of these cash flows are not traditional, one of them becomes negative for whatever reason, it could cause a problem with IRR. Whereas net present value is the gold standard. It's the gold standard of financial decision making. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, and we'll continue, and I'll continue to make videos. Thank you for listening.